राजा दशरथः स्वर्गं जगाम विलपन्सुतं गते तु तस्मिन् भरतो वसिष्ठप्रमुखैर्द्विजैः। राजा दशरथः थास् महाप्रणः विसर्ग changes to su there swargam. Dasharatha swargam because of sandhi. Jagama, swarga means in anuswara followed by ja, so it becomes swargan jagama because of sandhi. Vilapan sutam gatetu tasmin bharataha bhamaha pranaha becomes bharato because of sandhi. Vasishtha pramukhaihi is a compound word. Tha and kha are mahapranaha. Visarga changes to repha. Dvijaihi. Vasishtha pramukhair dvijaihi because of sandhi. Raja Dasharatha swargan jagama vilapan sutam gate tu tasmin bharato vasishtha pramukhair dvijaihi. Niyujyamano rajyaya naichhadrajyam mahabalaha sajagama vanauveero ramapada prasadakaha. Niyujyamanaha becomes niyujyamano because of sandhi. Rajyaya na aichat chas mahapranaha naichat because of sandhi. The t changes to d because of sandhi. Rajyam naichadrajyam because of sandhi. Mahabalaha is a compound word. Saha visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Jagama, so sajagama. Vanam veeraha. Vanam ends in anuswara followed by veeraha va. So vanam veeraha because of sandhi. Veeraha becomes veero because of sandhi. Ramapada prasadakaha is a compound word. Niyujyamano rajyaya naichhadrajyam mahabalaha sajagama vanam veero ramapada prasadakaha. Gatva tu sa mahatmanam ramam satyaparakramam ayachad bhrataram ramam aryabhava puraskritaha. Gatva tu saha visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Mahatmanam is a compound word. Ramam satyaparakramam is a compound word. Ayachat tu changes to d because of sandhi. Bhrataram bha mahapranaha ayachat bhrataram because of sandhi. Ramam aryabhava puraskritaha is a compound word. Bha is mahapranaha. Ramam aryabhava puraskritaha. Gatva tu samahatmanam ramam satyaparakramam ayachad bhrataram ramam aryabhava puraskritaha. Tvameva raja dharmagnya iti ramau vachobravit ramopi paramodaras sumukhas sumahayashaha. Tvam eva raja dharmagnaha is a compound word. Dhas mahapranaha visarga is dropped because of sandhi. Iti ramam vachaha ramau vachaha because of sandhi. The anuswara of ramam changes to the nasal of va. Vachaha abravit vachobravit because of sandhi. Ramaha api ramopi because of sandhi. Parama udaraha, paramodaraha is a compound word. Visarga changes to su there. Sumukhaha is a compound word. Khas mahapranaha. Paramodaras sumukhaha because of sandhi. Visarga changes to su again. Sumahayashaha is a compound word. Sumukhas sumahayashaha because of sandhi. Tvameva raja dharmagnya iti ramau vachobravit ramopi paramodaras sumukhas sumahayashaha. Na chaichat pituradeshadrajyam ramo mahabalaha paduke chasya rajyaya nyasandatva punah punaha. Na cha aichat cha is mahapranaha चैच्छत् because of sandhi. Pituhu visarga changes to repha. Adeshat, Pituradeshat because of sandhi. Adeshat changes to the because of sandhi. Rajyam, Ramaha becomes Ramo because of sandhi. Mahabalaha is a compound word. Paduke, Cha, Asya, Chasya because of sandhi. Rajyaya, Nyasam, Dattva. Nyasam ends in Anuswara followed by Da. So, the Anuswara changes to N, which is the nasal of the Ta varga. Nyasandatva because of sandhi. Punaha, Visarga changes to Upadhmaniya. Punaha, Punaha because of sandhi. Na chaichat pituradeshadrajyam Ramo Mahabalaha. Paduke chasya rajyaya nyasam dattva punaha.